some Europeans repurposing their USDT pairs to USDC. So current global crypto market cap, we are up 3.53 trillion coming from 3.4, 3.3 no noong mga nakakaraang mga araw. Obviously, Monday is going to be a high volume day for all of us with Bitcoin currently at 99,400, above 99 ulit. Ethereum 3654, XRP top 3 already ng buong coin market cap with 137,508 billion. Dollar Tether down 137 billion coming from 140. Part ito ng some obviously some Europeans repurposing their USDT pairs to USDC with the MiCA rule implemented that USDT is going to be banned.